It's almost time for the popcorn to be ready. What I mean about that, because SMCI or Open is trying to accumulate before the breakout from the channel that I'm gonna show you guys in our today video. So before we go further, guys, remember our content here is just for educational purposes and we're not financial advisor, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it and just show you what's going on with the chart. Let me just show you here the chart looking really interesting for my opinion. First of all, we have this jump in 10th of September, and then we entered this channel. Here we have a struggle between the sellers and the buyers. Of course, the sellers won here around almost the $11. The buyers won here around the $7, and now we have a conjunction area, whatever you call it, constipation. Maybe we have diarrhea after. But here we have a constipation because the price, it didn't actually do anything. Doesn't go up, doesn't go down, but it's go down slowly. The good thing is right now we have the $7.83, which is interesting support to hold. If we held it by today, it would be a good significant sign that Open is about to pump up. And the second signal, the most strong signal, is breaking this orange line, is still around the $9.19. The current support is around the $7.83. We're still currently holding. You see what's happened here around Thursday. Yes, Thursday we have one test, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tests for Open around this technical support around the 783, which is show us that we have a lot of buyer loading up around this support. How are we gonna confirm that? Of course, not breaking it by today and tomorrow to confirm, or waiting until we see the next buyer, and this will show us once we actually break the 919 and go toward the 1086, and after that the 1330 for the new high. If on the other hand we have a pullback breaking the 783, will confirm the pullback continuation down toward the $7, and this would be a 10% drop. It will be significant and quick, so be careful from that. And at the same time, don't be surprised and don't panic, because if we held the 7, this should be a reversal zone for us, and this is maybe triggered the discount price for the whale, and they buy around the 7, and then we're gonna have the test around the 990 and go higher. This is the best case scenario, not breaking the 7 and go toward the 570, because this will give us another confirmation that the short seller added their position around this level, and we're gonna go down. So be careful from this. We're gonna discuss Open and other stocks, of course, for tomorrow, like what we did for today. Actually, we did a really good update for today around before the market opened by 2 hours. We checked ASPP, which was a pretty good stock. The entry was around the 32, of course, and after that, before the market opened, we hit the 38.43, so it was too late by the market open. So those stocks, we always discuss them before the market open, like CIGL, the same, before the market open, and our Discord and Bitcoin, the link comment section below, guys, if you want to join. And of course, we're gonna discuss Open by tomorrow on our live streaming as usual, 30 minutes before the market opens. So put the notification on, of course, and subscribe in order to be notified by tomorrow. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow for the last trading session for this week on Friday. Thank you for watching, everybody.